Hi Joey's! Malalaman at magkakaroon tayo ng karagdagang kaalaman, kaya tara na nang masilayan ng ating mismong mga mata ang kasaysayan at kultura ng bansang Kazakhstan. Joey me on my travel. Ito yung Central State Museum of the Republic of Kazakhstan. Naglalaman ito ng maraming mga artifact mula noong prehistoric times onwards pertaining to the history of Kazakhstan. The museum also highlights the nomadic culture and Kazakhstan's diverse ethnic groups. Ang museum na ito is your one-stop destination upang tuklasin ang kasaysayan ng Kazakhstan mula sa sinaunang panahon to the present.